Right, here we are at the Teal Wifter, and we're going to be doing this track. And this is the entrance to what they call the pig track, PYG. And there's no phone signal, so I'm using the GoPro. Record the climb. Right, have you got anything to say?
Go!
And look, and there's Uber Tracker. Right, get ready for a lot of heavy breathing because we're just about to go up the steps.
That's lagging behind already.
Come on, Bootle. Right, nice action shot for Rachel. Oh, look at that. Well, you don't, you just step up. Oh. I told you there'd be some puffing and panting. Already? I thought I'd be the first one. The peak is somewhere behind that. Kian, anything you want to say for your TikTok?
Not really.
Come on! And look, already stunning views. I'm waiting for you to fall over so I can send it in to you been framed. No, once it gets up to there, it flattens out and then it's just long zigzag stuff. Oh, it's pretty easy going, really. That's where they are over there. Let's go and catch up with them. Some lovely scenic views.
It's going to be a long day, I think.
What's your heart rate?
Tell me about
Mine's 134.
Really? One's on bed. Yeah, it's not reading it.
That's where we're going, up there. Mountain Trekker 1 signing off.